We are going to a Pinoy trade show in Scarborough Town Center with Margo, and our friends are waiting at the subway. Is it correct? At the subway, in the subway.
In the subway.
Okay, in the subway. The weather.
At the subway.
At the subway?
Yeah.
Okay.
But no, in.
Whatever.
I don't know.
We're waiting for the bus.
And I'm just playing on my pretend iPad that I just made today.
Yeah.
If you want to where your tablet's going to be, it's just going to be the Boracay bag, okay?
Boracay bag.
I didn't notice I had a hot heel.
Where? Yeah.
I didn't know this.
That's from Zara.
Sawa?
Yeah. It's from Maya.
You like Sawa?
I like it, but sometimes I can't afford it. If on sale and I have money, it's fine. But
when it's on sale and you don't have money, it's not
the
fine.
regular price is expensive. Burp, excuse me. The weather is fine. We're going to a trade show. See, I like the weather there. It's so panoramic.
Hot. It's boring because
Blue sky.
of a
It's like
long sleep. I sit. Why didn't I just the bed all day?
shout out to Ariana and Tita Riva family. Enjoy Philippines. Margo, what are you excited to eat at the Philippine show in the
KFC.
That's not a Philippine. She said KFC. You want halo-halo, toron?
No.
No? Fish balls? Oh, your shoe's coming off. So that's the, oh, you know why? We have to remove the thing here. Can you help, Mickey? You know those black thing here? It's okay, we'll fix it later. Okay. Post ko sa YouTube ko. That's my best friend, Alfred. Alfred, say hi. Oh. That's a store, no frills. Yeah, no, you've been there?
Yes.
You've been there in near to our place. But that's a different no frills. Nakapunta na ako dyan, Lords. Kasi dito kami nagpapakompute dati ng tax. Nilalakad na natin. Yeah. Ay, shoppers nila. Oh, hindi pa inay. Yeah. Dyan, oh, yung building na yan. Kaya kami nagpapakompute. Ay, di pala dito. This is an express bus. Bumpy road. It's a bumpy road. Sino? Namantsahan, naging yellow. Kasi gusto daw niya Philippine flag color. Yung ipit niya, binigay ng classmate. Margo, at first calling you. Tapos yung sa kuko niya, French naman daw siya. France daw. Kasi ang color, kasi she's a French speaker daw. Kala mo naman po. Alam niyo na naman konti. Yeah. That's a park. That's a park.
I think that's a parking lot.
Park, yeah, parking lot with a park at the side.
What's that?
See? It's like that. Kids are like that. See? Tingnan mo yung isa ng bata. In-explain lang din naman. Kasi tanong din naman. Oh, there's a basketball court. Maybe they can have a picnic there. Yeah, that's a nice park. May pinsan ako dito eh. Second class eh. Malapit. Yeah. Nasa Bulacan na tayo ngayon. Nasa Bulacan na. Ganyan ang daan. Yeah. Pag may nakita kayong ano, baka, ano na yan. Eba isiya. Pero ngayon, pag papunta ka na doon sa mga probinsya, ganyan na makikita mo, oh, housing. Nawaw na yung si mama mo sa kaka-answer sa'yo.
Next stop, Lawrence Avenue East. This vehicle operates via California Central Station. This is an express vehicle.
Yay!
Lawrence Station.
What's that Lawrence Station? Where?
This is the Lawrence Street corner.
The back.
Suot na ni panganay ko ang akon nga pants. So, pero sige, so.
Next stop, Ellesmere Road. This vehicle operates via Scarborough Central Station. This is an express vehicle.
Uulan mga 7, pero 40% lang. Oh. My furniture. Yeah, I'm taking video. Yeah. That's how you take the video so that it's not bumpy. If my hand is numb, if my hand is super numb, then
On the video, it looks like it's going straight, but it's actually bumpy.
sanda and brush. It's a furniture store. That's a store. Nice. Sino?
Glasses store.
Next stop, Ellesmere Road. This vehicle operates via Scarborough Central Station. This is an express vehicle.
Okay, I have a passport.
What's that? What's mom saying?
But not here.
Next stop, Midland Avenue. This vehicle operates via Scarborough Central Station. This is an express vehicle.
Vietnam.
Scarborough Center Station. This is an express vehicle.
Express vehicle with that. Oh, what's that?
That's the bus.
I'm taking a picture with the bus.
Yeah, taking video.
What is the no, it's different bus.
Yeah, it's a different bus. It's going to different. It's going to different location. Wait, the bus can't hear you,
What's
and you
that?
sound like a cat.
What's that? What's that?
That's the bus. It's
Is that-
empty.
Empty?
Yeah.
It's because it's not in service. It's different.
Yeah,
It's different bus.
it's not in service. Maybe. I think so.
I'm serious.
But there's a
man.
driver.
I'm serious.
You're serious? Me too.
I'm serious. It doesn't say not in service.
I'm serious too.
But yun.
Bad yun? Which one is bad?
But yun. But yun. But
Next stop, Borough Drive. This vehicle operates via Scarborough Center Station. This is an express vehicle.
Mom, it's me. Mama, okay, it's the wall. Oh, the taxi. The taxi.
Itlan. Kita Lourdes ito.
The taxi. Where mommy?
Oh, this is Brentwood. Tagal ng Scarborough. There's a dog in the car. God, ang kamay ko talaga, grabe na, Lords. Parang alam mo yung pressure niya. Pag kunwari ganito, mawawala na ng ano, para magnanamb siya. Sa'yo ganyan ba?
Mommy, what is that?
Oo. Sa'yo.
Mom, this different bus.
Kunwari ganyan.
It's a bus.
Magnanamb.
Mommy, 2 buttons, mommy. 2 buttons. Mama, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that, mommy?
That's a Jeep. You like that car?
No, it's enemy. It's enemy car.
Enemy car?
How can you say it?
How come you say it's enemy car?
So,
How come? Because it's black?
it's black.
Oh,
I got PDC.
but it's a cool car, isn't it?
This one has
I like the wheels. I like the color. It's not. So Alfred, what color of car is your favorite? What color of car is your favorite? No more. You want the blue one? Me too. Blue is my favorite color.
Next stop, Borough Drive. This vehicle operates via Scarborough Center Station. This is an express vehicle.
We're almost here. No, babe. You say, excuse me, did you sneeze?
He's not talking.
Okay.
Not talking. He's busy.
Okay.
He's busy?
Yeah.
She's busy.
Who's busy?
He's busy. Thank you.
Tita Mase. Tita Mase is sleeping. She's sleepy. You are right. Oh, I think we're here. Almost. Ay, hindi pa. Ah, liliko pa. Oh, there is the Scarborough Town. Yay! We're here. Alfred, what do you want to eat? I want to eat Filipino beer later.
You've been there, mommy?
vehicle.
Lords, ano ka na lang? Lords, mag-record ka na lang na i-reply sa kanya. We're at the station. Because there is no RT anymore, that's why we're...
There's no blue train.
Yeah. Okay.
There's no blue train.
Let's go there. It's messy though.
Take a picture. So pretty.
Michaela?
Hi. I got this from one of the stores over there.
Yeah.
It was really expensive though. Like, but it was $10.
It's messy though.